I don't know. I don't know how long it's been, a year or so since I got the diabetes solution kit. At the time, I got like 6 bottles. It had a special going for 6 bottles of the Senna Chroma. So I've been taking that pretty regularly. I mean, the kit, I was really surprised about how much information was provided with the kit. Um, all of the recipes and the what you can eat, what you can't eat, stuff like that, and just the description of what diabetes actually is and what it does, to the body and stuff like that that I never knew before. And it was just really good to be able to know that.
How are your numbers? How are you doing?
My numbers are hovering about a little above 100 on
Wow,
average.
great.
Um, Probably about 110, 115, which the doctor is okay with, because I have the disease. He doesn't really expect them to be down under 100. Yeah, I have a lot more energy. I'm sleeping a lot better. I'm able to work a little bit better, because of the energy that I have. Um, yeah, I do feel better. It's just that fluctuation, because for some reason it really fluctuates quite a bit throughout the day. And like I said, it can drop when it drops down below 100. Just so I'm still trying to condition my body to accept those lower numbers,
Sure.
that lower amount of sugar. So, but like I said, about 110, 120, I feel really good.